We all experience moments of stress and anxiety. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the demands of daily life. Whether it's work, family, or personal challenges, stress can creep up on us when we least expect it. Finding ways to manage this stress is crucial for maintaining our mental and physical health. Sometimes we just want a good night's sleep. Sleep is essential for our overall well-being, yet many of us struggle to get the rest we need. Insomnia and restless nights can leave us feeling drained and irritable. The quest for a peaceful night's sleep often leads us to explore natural remedies that can help us relax and unwind. It's in these moments that nature offers a helping hand. The natural world is full of plants and herbs that have been used for centuries to promote relaxation and healing. Among these, chamomile stands out as a particularly powerful ally. Its gentle, soothing properties make it a favorite for those seeking a natural way to calm their minds and bodies. Chamomile, a beautiful daisy-like flower, has been cherished for centuries for its calming and healing properties. This unassuming flower has a rich history, dating back to ancient civilizations that recognized its potential to soothe and heal. From the Egyptians to the Greeks, chamomile has been a trusted remedy for a variety of ailments. Today, we'll explore the science behind this ancient remedy. Modern research has begun to uncover the mechanisms that make chamomile so effective. Scientists are delving into its chemical composition, identifying the compounds responsible for its therapeutic effects. This blend of tradition and science offers a fascinating glimpse into how chamomile works. Join me as we uncover the potential health benefits of chamomile. From its ability to reduce anxiety to its potential role in promoting better sleep, chamomile's benefits are wide-ranging. We'll look at how this humble flower can be incorporated into our daily routines, offering a natural way to enhance our well-being. Chamomile is more than just a pleasant beverage. While many of us enjoy a cup of chamomile tea for its mild, soothing flavor, its benefits go far beyond taste. This versatile herb can be used in various forms, from teas and tinctures to essential oils and topical applications, each offering unique advantages. It holds the potential to improve our well-being in surprising ways. Regular use of chamomile can help create a sense of calm and relaxation, making it easier to cope with the stresses of everyday life. Its gentle, non-habit-forming nature makes it an ideal choice for those looking to support their health naturally. From easing anxiety to potentially aiding in wound healing, chamomile's versatility is remarkable. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties make it a valuable addition to any natural health regimen. Whether you're sipping it as a tea or applying it to your skin, chamomile offers a range of benefits that can enhance your quality of life. Let's dive into the world of this incredible flower and discover how it might enhance our lives. By understanding the history, science, and practical applications of chamomile, we can better appreciate its role in promoting health and well-being. So, sit back, relax, and join me on this journey to explore the wonders of chamomile. Chamomile belongs to the Asteraceae family, a diverse group of plants that includes many well-known species. This family is renowned for its beautiful, daisy-like flowers that brighten up fields and gardens alike. Among the various types of chamomile, two main varieties stand out for their medicinal uses: German chamomile and Roman chamomile. These two varieties are distinguished by their unique chemical compositions, which contribute to their wide range of therapeutic effects. The most common and beloved way to enjoy chamomile is in the form of a soothing tea. Chamomile tea has been cherished for centuries for its calming properties. Beyond tea, chamomile is also available as a dietary supplement. You can find it in capsules, liquid extracts, and even topical creams, making it versatile for various uses. Chamomile's gentle nature makes it suitable for people of all ages, from young children to the elderly. Its mild effects are perfect for those seeking natural remedies. However, it's always best to consult your doctor before adding chamomile to your routine, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking other medications. This is particularly important for pregnant or breastfeeding women, as well as those on specific medications, to ensure safety and avoid any potential interactions. Historically, chamomile has been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years. Ancient civilizations, including the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans, revered chamomile for its healing properties. Harvesting chamomile is a delicate process. The flowers are typically picked at full bloom and then dried to preserve their beneficial compounds. Preparing chamomile tea is simple. Just steep the dried flowers in hot water for a few minutes. For added flavor, you can mix in honey or a slice of lemon. Enjoying a cup of chamomile tea can be a relaxing ritual, helping to unwind after a long day. Its gentle aroma and mild taste make it a favorite for many. Chamomile's benefits extend beyond tea. Its essential oil is often used in aromatherapy and skincare products, known for its anti-inflammatory and soothing properties. Incorporating chamomile into your daily routine can enhance your overall well-being, promoting relaxation and a sense of calm. Growing chamomile at home is also an option for those with a green thumb. It's a hardy plant that can thrive in various conditions, making it a rewarding addition to any garden. Whether enjoyed as a tea, used in skincare, or grown in your garden, chamomile truly is a gift from nature, offering numerous benefits for mind and body. Chamomile has long been revered for its calming effects. Scientific studies suggest that it may help reduce anxiety symptoms. One study found that chamomile extract significantly reduced anxiety scores in people with generalized anxiety disorder. Chamomile's potential benefits extend to depression as well. Some research suggests that it may help alleviate mild to moderate depressive symptoms. It's believed that chamomile's calming properties, combined with its potential to regulate certain neurotransmitters in the brain, contribute to these positive effects. Chamomile may play a role in cancer prevention. Certain compounds found in chamomile, such as apigenin, have demonstrated anti-cancer properties in laboratory settings. These compounds may inhibit the growth and spread of cancer cells. It's important to note that these findings are preliminary and should not be interpreted as a cure for cancer. Chamomile should not be used as a substitute for conventional cancer treatments. However, it may hold promise as a complementary therapy alongside standard medical care. Chamomile's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties extend to oral health. Gingivitis, a common gum disease characterized by inflammation, can benefit from chamomile's soothing effects. Rinsing with chamomile tea may help reduce gum inflammation and bleeding. In addition to its anti-inflammatory properties, chamomile also possesses antimicrobial activity against certain bacteria that contribute to gingivitis. Incorporating chamomile into your oral hygiene routine may promote healthier gums and a brighter smile. Chamomile has been a staple in traditional medicine for treating various skin conditions. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties make it effective in soothing irritated skin and promoting wound healing. Chamomile is often found in creams, lotions, and ointments for eczema, psoriasis, and other inflammatory skin conditions. Chamomile's healing touch extends to wound care as well. Studies have shown that chamomile ointments can accelerate wound healing and reduce the risk of infection. Its gentle nature makes it suitable for even sensitive skin. Some studies suggest that chamomile may play a role in managing diabetes. Early research indicates that chamomile may help regulate blood sugar levels. One study found that chamomile tea consumption after meals reduced postprandial blood glucose levels in people with type 2 diabetes. It's crucial for individuals with diabetes to consult their doctor before incorporating chamomile into their treatment plan. Finding relief from menstrual discomfort. Can chamomile help? Menstrual cramps affect countless women every month. Chamomile's muscle-relaxing properties may offer relief from these discomforts. Chamomile tea consumption can reduce the severity of menstrual cramps. Its calming effects may also help alleviate other menstrual symptoms, such as mood swings and irritability. Chamomile presents a natural option for managing menstrual discomfort. Chamomile and heart health, a budding relationship. Emerging research suggests that chamomile may contribute to heart health. Studies indicate that chamomile consumption may help lower blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease. Its antioxidant properties may also protect against oxidative stress, which can damage blood vessels. Incorporating chamomile into a heart-healthy lifestyle may offer potential benefits. Chamomile for colds and inflammation. A natural soother. Chamomile's anti-inflammatory properties make it a popular choice for relieving cold symptoms. Drinking the tea may help soothe a sore throat, reduce congestion, and promote relaxation. Inhaling chamomile steam can also provide relief from nasal congestion. Chamomile's anti-inflammatory effects extend beyond cold symptoms. It may help reduce inflammation throughout the body, potentially benefiting conditions such as arthritis and inflammatory bowel disease. Chamomile for sleep and digestion, a relaxing elixir. Chamomile is renowned for its sleep-promoting properties. It contains an antioxidant called apigenin, which binds to certain receptors in the brain that promote sleepiness. Sipping chamomile tea before bed may help you fall asleep faster and enjoy a more restful night's sleep. In addition to promoting sleep, chamomile can also aid digestion. Its anti-inflammatory properties may help soothe the digestive tract, while its muscle-relaxing effects can ease digestive discomfort such as gas and bloating. Remember, your health, your choices. This video is dedicated to empowering you with the knowledge and tools to make informed decisions about your well-being. Your health is your most valuable asset, and the choices you make today can have a profound impact on your future. Chamomile offers a world of potential health benefits. From easing anxiety to promoting sleep, this humble flower has been cherished for its soothing properties. Imagine sipping a warm cup of chamomile tea after a long day, feeling the stress melt away as you prepare for a restful night's sleep. The gentle aroma and calming effects of chamomile can be a simple yet powerful addition to your daily routine. This gentle flower has been a source of comfort and healing for centuries. In ancient times, chamomile was a staple in traditional herbal remedies, used by healers and apothecaries to treat a variety of ailments. Its rich history is a testament to its enduring value in natural medicine. Even today, many people turn to chamomile as a natural remedy for common issues like digestive discomfort and skin irritations. While research continues to uncover its many benefits, modern science is beginning to validate what traditional healers have known for centuries. According to studies, chamomile contains compounds that may help reduce inflammation, support immune function, and even have antioxidant properties. Researchers are exploring its potential in various fields, from mental health to chronic disease management. It's essential to remember that this information is for educational purposes only. While the benefits of chamomile are promising, it's important to approach any new health regimen with caution and awareness. Educating yourself about the potential effects and interactions of herbal remedies is a crucial step in making informed health choices. It's not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Herbal remedies like chamomile can complement traditional medical treatments, but they should not replace professional medical advice, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Your health is a complex and dynamic aspect of your life, and making informed choices requires a balance of knowledge, professional guidance, and personal intuition. Remember, your health, your choices, make them wisely.